Need a new SIM card for your Spectrum Mobile device due to loss, damage, or an upgrade? As of September 2025, Spectrum Mobile emphasizes the digital eSIM swap as the quickest and most secure method. To get a replacement eSIM, simply log into your Spectrum Mobile app or head to the official Spectrum Mobile website. Navigate to the Replace SIM section and choose the eSIM option. You'll then follow the on-screen prompts, which might involve scanning a QR code or an automated setup. This process is bolstered by Spectrum's enhanced fraud prevention measures like mandatory two-factor authentication, biometric verification, and government-issued ID scans, implemented after a surge in SIM swap scams in 2024 to comply with FCC regulations. While eSIM is the preferred method, physical SIM card replacements are still available for Spectrum Mobile users, though increasingly phased out for new activations. If you require a physical SIM, you'll need to contact Spectrum Mobile support either through their app, website, or by calling 1-833-268-22000. You'll be asked to verify your account details and identity thoroughly. After verification, a new physical SIM card will be ordered and shipped to you, typically arriving within 3 to 7 business days, and may incur a fee of around $10 to $25. Once received, you can follow activation instructions shown here. It's crucial to remember that regardless of whether you're performing an eSIM or physical SIM swap, Spectrum Mobile implements strict security protocols, including proof of ownership and sometimes temporary PIN codes to prevent unauthorized access and identity theft. You can access support through their app, as shown here. Always back up your device data before any SIM swap, as service may be temporarily disrupted. Here's a visual representation of a SIM card.